COVID-19 numbers are continuing to climb across the region, but Dr. Michael Mendoza says there's no reason to be overly alarmed just yet. The vast majority of illnesses thus far have been mild or even asymptomatic. And some of those out enjoying the nice weather the past couple of days aren't masking up anymore, but that's not the case for everyone. Christian Garzone joins us live now with more on this. Christian, what have you found tonight?
Well, Teresa, the CDC has classified our region as one of high transmission, and Dr. Mendoza says we're looking at a very different type of surge right now. And while plenty of people are saying enough with the masks already, there is one demographic, we're told, growing more concerned by the day. Dr. Michael Mendoza says even with 3 variants at play and a spike in cases, he's not hitting the panic button.
The rate of rise of cases here has not led to a rise in the number of hospitalizations yet.
Most people are now hospitalized with COVID, not for COVID. The symptoms are milder. He says we're looking at a different surge.
We don't want to overly alarm the public about something that may not be that significant yet, based on what we're seeing.
Folks out tonight seemingly not fazed. When it comes to masking at places like a restaurant, many appear to have moved on, like these two.
I feel it's great. We should have the privilege to go into a restaurant with no mask.
I feel perfectly fine about it.
Yeah,
gotta do what you want to do.
But not everyone feels this way.
Not too safe.
Daniel Spillane doesn't want to even be outside sans mask. He wants to protect others.
You know, I worry about people.
Nick Nucci of Nucci's in Webster says the issue of masking indoors has a lot to do with age.
I've seen more and more people now coming into the restaurant with masks on again.
Nucci says those advanced in years are concerned more about what COVID can do to them health-wise.
But the majority of them, I could tell you, I can hear them in the conversations and stuff.
Mendoza saying right now, despite the high caseload, they are not looking at issuing any mandates like masking.
But we just have to keep following, and if things change, we'll update the public.
And of course, if you test positive with COVID, the isolation period is still 5 days. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Teresa, right back to you.
Christian, thank you. Dr. Mendoza says if you feel any symptoms, it's always best to test.